Repayment type. The two repayment types are principal and interest only. Principal and interest is the most traditional way of setting up your loan. If you have a $4,000 per month repayment, a rough breakdown of that repayment would be $3,000 of interest and $1,000 of principal, meaning you're reducing your loan by $1,000 each repayment. Interest only, exactly as it sounds, is you're just making the interest portion of the repayment. A question we often get asked here is, why would someone want a loan that they're not reducing? And the answer is, there are many different reasons and strategies as to why people opt for interest only. One of those strategies is to reduce your cash flow outgoings. Because as you can see here, your interest only repayment is $3,000 per month, being $1,000 less than the principal and interest repayment. And the theory being that that $1,000 per month could be going elsewhere to other good use. Another important factor is how offset and redraw accounts impact a principal and interest loan compared to an interest only loan. Let's say, for example, you have a combined of $375,000 sitting in redraw and offset, and you have a $750,000 loan. What's going to happen is your repayment in this example, if set up with principal and interest repayments, is going to remain at $4,000 per month. However, the interest portion is going to cut in half to $1,500 per month, and the principal portion is going to increase to $2,500 per month. So the key point being is, if your loan's principal and interest and you've got half of the loan amount sitting in redraw or offset, your total repayment is actually going to stay the same, but it's the interest portion within the repayment is going to reduce, meaning the principal portion increases. If your loan was set up as interest only and you had $375,000 sitting in offset and or redraw, then as we know, you're only paying the interest portion, so your total monthly repayment would come down to $1,500, meaning that has a bigger positive impact on your cash flow outgoings.